What's up? Eric right here with YesWeRentHouses.com. This home right here we're about to go into, 4 bedroom, 2 full baths at 3605 Reisterstown Road. Real nice block. As we make our way through the house, you can see new flooring, new paint, very wide open concept, plenty of room. You can see a closet. So make our way back. Right off to the left right there is the basement. See a kitchen, still open concept, dishwasher, stove, so a refrigerator. So make our way back. Here's your first full bathroom, very clean. Right off of there, you'll have your washer and dryer hookups. Now upstairs, let's take a look at the 4 bedrooms, and we also have another bathroom to look at. See right here, plenty of space in this home. That nice closet space. Again, this is a 4 bedroom, 2 full bath, 3605 Reisterstown Road in West Baltimore. Make our way off. See the second bedroom. See, very presentable, very clean. Plenty of closet space. As you can see, this is a legit 4 bedroom home. Right here is your second full bathroom. Very similar to your first full bathroom. Right off the kitchen on the first floor. Again, here's your third bedroom. And right down the hall, we'll take a look at the fourth bedroom. Also, this does have a fenced-in backyard. Again, 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Give us a call, 443-380-0075.